Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to today's language class. And today our discussion topic is completing sentence part 2. So let's start. Lest is a conjunction which we use to prevent something undesirable or to avoid the risk of something. Here you can see a structure which is independent clause plus subordinate clause. In the subordinate clause we have to write lest plus subject plus should plus base form of the main verb. For examples, he ran first lest he should miss an important class. Avoid mistakes lest you should get poor marks. In these sentences, you can see lest is used to prevent unavoidable situations or results. We use some conjunctions to mention reason. These conjunctions are as, because, or since. These conjunctions connect the result of something with its reason. For examples, as a flower is a symbol of beauty, everybody likes it. He could not attend the meeting because he was ill. Since Bangladesh is an agricultural country, her economy depends on agriculture. In these examples, you can see as, because, and since are used to express reason of something. Sometimes since is used to mention time, but in this perspective, we have to focus on two structures. If the independent clause is in present tense, the subordinate clause will be in past indefinite tense. If the independent clause is in past indefinite tense, the subordinate clause will be in past perfect tense. For examples, 5 years have passed since we met last. It is a pretty long time since he came here. In these examples, you can see the independent clauses are in present tense and the subordinate clauses are in past indefinite tense. Another two examples are, it was a long time since I had gone there. It was 5 years since we had played together. So in these examples, you can see the independent clauses are in past indefinite tense. That's why the subordinate clauses are in past perfect tense. No sooner had, hardly had, or scarcely had are used to show that one thing happens immediately after another thing. Here you can see two structures. In these structures, there are two clauses. The first clause is in past perfect tense and the second clause is in past indefinite tense. But in the first clause, we have placed had before the subject. Another important thing is, when we are using no sooner had, we have to place then between two clauses. And when we are using scarcely had, we have to place when between two clauses. For examples, no sooner had he gone to school than it started raining. Scarcely had he reached there when his father came. Hardly had I called him when he entered the room. In these examples, you can see we maintain two clauses. The first clause is in past perfect tense and second clause is in past indefinite tense. And we can understand that one thing happens immediately after another thing.